got me a chainsaw. I'm gonna go saw a tree because we have a down tree over at the place where I work. So yeah, I'm gonna go saw this mother up. What's up, guys? I think it's time to do a little shaving, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I'm gonna do that real quick. Yeah. That's really not bad. That's an improvement. Yeah. Oh yeah! Hey guys, if you look closely at my shirt, there's like a hole right there. If it was any more to the right, my nipple would be popping out. That'd be funny as heck, right? But since it's right there, anybody asks, I'll just tell them I was shot. That's all that was, man. I just got shot. It's no big deal.
Who shot you in the ass? Who? That who would be you? Me? I shot you? Yeah. I mean, I was shooting. Yeah, I did a lot of shooting. I mean, but I ain't saying I shot you in the ass.
Anyways, I gotta get out of here. Running a bit behind on time now. I gotta go grab me some McDonald's for breakfast and lunch. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright. This is usually how you like guarantee that you're gonna be late, as you follow behind a dump truck. I was gonna say like, this is why I'm gonna be late, but he's like going like 60. Shit, so I guess I can't blame it on him. I'm really trying not to be late, but I gotta get my McDonald's. So I don't know, it's gonna be cutting it close. I gotta get me my sausage egg McMuffins. I'm gonna eat some of those for lunch as well. It's good protein, you know? Not like the healthiest, but it's really not bad. I mean, I don't know. I wouldn't even say it's unhealthy. It's egg, sausage. What's wrong with it? Anyway. I'm gonna step up my thumbnail game, guys. I feel like I can get more people to click on the videos if I just like spruce up the thumbnails, spend more time on them instead of just throwing one on there. So I'm gonna do that. So yeah. Anyways, today's Tuesday, so I got today and I got tomorrow, and then we're gonna have 3 days off after that. Tonight I'm gonna go shopping at Walmart after work. I'm not really sure what all I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna try to do some really serious thinking, strategic planning about what I'm gonna buy, so I don't like impulse buy and end up flat broke again. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Good morning, what can I get started for you?
Yeah, can I get like 2 sausage egg McMuffins and then 2 sausage McMuffins?
Egg muffin, just a sandwich?
Yeah, I need 2 of those. 2 sausage egg McMuffins and then I need 2 sausage McMuffins.
And 2 sausage muffins?
Yes.
You got it. Is that going to be all for you?
That is it.
All right, now this will be the last drive-through window.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's funny, like the semi wouldn't let me over because like I need to get over and it's like heavy traffic and shit, and he ain't letting me over. So I floored on it and got in front of him, and he honked at me, And he went to pass me, and I was just fucked. I just laid on my horn. I flipped him off. Oh, dude, I got bad road rage, dude. I swear I could kill somebody out here. Well, I hate stupid people. Like, come on. Like, dude, I gotta get over. Like, let me over. I had my blinker on for a mile. Pay the F attention. You know what I'm saying? Jeez. Oh my God. Then he had the nerve to honk it. But you know, I ain't gonna let scrubs like that ruin my day. Got a little amped up, but now I'm awake, so it's all good. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. I'm already here at work, so peace out. Had me amped up for a while there, but I'm all good now. I'm all chill. I got me a chainsaw. I'm gonna go saw a tree because we have a down tree over at the place where I work. So yeah, I'm gonna go saw this mother up. Probably try to record some of it. All right. Good. What's up, guys? We're gonna do some chainsawing today. I got my chainsaw. First thing you want to do is you want to take this off. You don't want to start it with it on because you can cut into this, and that's not good. Now it's been a while since I started the chainsaw, but I think I remember how to do it. Got the choke. That'd be full choke. And see it. Your chain brake, you want that like that. Make sure it's that way. Make sure your hard hat doesn't fall off if you're wearing a hard hat. I hate these things. You want it to pretty much squeeze your brain. Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Carl.
Huh?
Stick your foot in the handle.
Oh, yeah. If you can.
Good.
Sweet. All right.
Sweet.
Brake on. Kind of like a thing. Falling off on it. Normally you want to try to get like a little undercut if you can. It's kind of hard to do that here. You don't want to tip into it because that's bad. It'll kick back in. And this thing is annoying. So go ahead and take this off now. We're not going to be cutting anymore. All right, there. Now we'll get rid of these suckers. Throw them in the woods, get them out of the way. It's a good workout. And this here, you got your rocket launcher.
I lost the rocket launcher. You lost? How do you lose a rocket launcher?
Wouldn't make good firewood. Good to go. What's going on, guys? Just got home. Freaking tired. It's been a long day. It's already what? It's already after 10 o'clock. Got my groceries going on here. Yeah, got some pizzas, all that good stuff, you know, enchiladas. We got lots of salad. We even got some bananas. Hell yeah, you cover. Got that Mio Energy. Got 2 cases of water. Everything we need. I even got these right here. Got 2 10-pound weights to add to the weight bench. Hell yeah. What I'll have to do though is I'll have to remove 2.5 weights off of there to make room for these 2 10s. So basically I'll remove 5 pounds, but I will add 20. So basically it'll drop to 105, but then I'll add 20 more. So it'll be 125. It'll be 125 pounds on my bar. That's a little better, but I want to get it up to at least 150, you know, before I upgrade the weight bench to like a better bench, and then go for like bigger, you know, 200, 300, 400, 500 pounds. Hell yeah. Anyways, I know the lighting sucks here. I didn't get my lighting thing because I'm tired. Anyway, I got something for Keiko. For Keiko here, it's like a bone, Nyla bone, chicken flavor. I'm sure he'll like it. Find out if he likes it. Do you want this? You want the Nyla bone? It's chicken flavor. What do you think of that? You like that? Go ahead. It's yours. Good boy. It's good boy. Yes, I got him some more doggy food. Some more Purina Smart Blend. That's right. I know. I really gotta upgrade the lighting in here. Oh, I need to just upgrade the lighting in this whole area and upgrade the lighting in my room. Then we'll be good. And upgrade the camera, because right now I'm just using a crappy phone right now to film, but it'll get better. It'll get better, guys. Bear with me, alright? I gotta work with what's within my budget, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, you guys want to know something really funny? So I went to the grocery store with my brother, right? And we get in the car, and I've got this that can of de-icer that I showed you guys the other day. I got that in the back in the trunk, and it doesn't have like the cap to like protect it from going off. So we're driving, and I'm smelling something. Smells like chemicals. The only thing I can think of is that de-icer back there with my groceries in the trunk going off. That's what I was worried about. And my brother goes, well, you're probably going to put away your pizza in the freezer and wonder why your pizza isn't frozen. Because it got de-icer all over it. This guy is a funny mofo, I gotta say. Oh yeah, I got a couple little shots of Fireball, little tiny bottles. I got 2 shots I'm gonna use tomorrow, Thursday, because Thursday night we're gonna be streaming some PUBG on Thursday night. So get ready for that, guys. Can't wait. And Thursday afternoon, but sometime in the evening I'm gonna be hitting up them Fireball shots. We're gonna have some fun. Could be in the morning. I don't know. No, it's gonna be afternoon, but I'm saying like I could like drink the Fireball shots in the afternoon. So I don't know, but it's gonna be fun either way. I can't wait. Stoked. Heck yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm really tired. I'm gonna jump in the shower, and I'm cooking up a pizza, so that's my dinner again. And I'm just gonna edit this and watch some YouTubes and go to sleep. So, yep. Tomorrow I got one more day of work, and then I'll be off for 3 days again. So, hell yeah. Anyways, guys, I appreciate y'all. Smash that like button if you would. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see y'all later. Peace.